Welcome to FluentVibe Podcast, the show for anyone who wants to speak English more confidently and enjoyably. Here, we'll guide you to speak English in a natural way, step by step, day by day. I will speak clearly and at a comfortable pace so you can follow along and repeat after me. Today, we'll explore a simple yet highly effective way to practice English every day. Even if your schedule is packed, even if speaking makes you nervous, even if English isn't spoken where you live, many people believe that moving to the UK or the US is necessary to speak English well. But that's not true. You don't need to live in London. You don't need someone native by your side. You don't need to spend hours studying every night. What matters are small, smart habits. Habits that are easy to keep. Habits that fit into your daily routine. Habits that help you feel confident, natural, and comfortable with English. Have you ever heard of shadowing? Maybe yes, maybe not. Shadowing is one of the most powerful ways to improve your listening and speaking at the same time. It's simple, but it works. Here's what you do. Listen to someone speaking English, then repeat exactly what they say. Don't pause, don't translate in your head, don't check a dictionary. Try to copy the sound, the rhythm, and the flow, just like an echo. Let's try it together. I want to speak English fluently now. Repeat. I listen to English every day. Repeat. Even a few minutes of shadowing each day can make your English sound smoother and more natural. Step 2. Make English a daily habit. Many learners say, "I'm too busy to practice. I feel shy speaking. I don't know where to begin." Here are some practical ways to use English every day. Listen every day. Listening is the foundation of speaking. You don't need to understand every word. Just let the language enter your ears. Listen to podcasts, music, YouTube videos, short stories, or news for learners. Even 10-15 minutes each day will help. You can listen while walking, cooking, exercising, or relaxing. Make English part of your environment. Speak what you hear. After listening, use your voice. Repeat sentences or short audio clips and try to match the rhythm and tone. For example, I want to get better at English. Repeat. I don't understand everything, but I keep going. Repeat. I am improving little by little. Repeat. Practicing like this every day will make your speech smoother, your pronunciation clearer, and your confidence stronger. Think in English. Begin training your mind to think in English, one thought at a time. Start with simple thoughts. It's morning. I'm still sleepy. I need coffee. The sky is blue. The air feels cold. Say these thoughts quietly or whisper them. Avoid translating from your native language. This helps your brain connect directly to English. Read out loud. Reading silently is useful, but reading out loud trains your mouth, tongue, and brain together. Use short and simple texts such as children's books, beginner stories, or dialogues from podcasts and videos. Read slowly at first, then increase your speed, and finally add expression. Imagine acting as you speak. This is like a workout for your speaking muscles. Use English in your daily life. English shouldn't be something you do only for 30 minutes a day. Make it part of your everyday routine. Change your phone language to English. Write a short daily diary in English. 3 sentences a day. Record a 1-minute voice message. Join online English speaking groups. Watch short videos and repeat what you hear. Even small steps like saying good morning in English, writing your to-do list in English, or watching 5 minutes in English every day create strong habits. Strong habits build confident English speakers. Make English part of who you are, not just what you study. When you practice this way, learning English won't feel like homework. It will feel like a part of your life. And that's when real fluency begins. Okay, now that you've got some daily habits going, let's talk about a few more things that can really level up your English. First, vocabulary. Don't stress about memorizing long word lists. Instead, just notice new words in real life. Watch a video, read a short story, or listen to a podcast, and jot down a few words you don't know. Then, try to use them in your own sentences. The cool thing is, when you connect words to your own life, they stick way better. Next, ask questions and talk to yourself. Seriously, you don't need a teacher or a native speaker for this. Just ask yourself simple questions like, what did I eat today? Or, how do I feel right now? And answer them in English. Even if it's short sentences, this is gold for thinking faster and getting more comfortable speaking. Here's a fun one. Get creative with English. Write a tiny story. Make a comic and label it in English. Or even make a little dialogue between imaginary characters. You can record yourself acting it out. It's like playing with English, and your brain starts using the language naturally instead of just memorizing rules. Also, review a little every week. Take 5 minutes to look back at what you learned. Say new words out loud, make a sentence with them, and notice what's easy and what's still tricky. This is super helpful because it makes your learning stick and keeps you aware of your progress. Finally, Find your English buddies. Learning alone is okay, but it's way more fun with friends. Find someone who's also learning. Join a small online group. Send each other voice notes or messages. Celebrate the little wins together, like finishing a story, speaking without hesitating, or just using a new word. Trust me, it feels awesome. The thing to remember is English doesn't have to be perfect. It's all about showing up every day, trying stuff, being creative, and having fun with it. Mix listening, speaking, thinking, reading, writing, and a little playtime with English, and you'll see yourself improving without even realizing it. Make it part of your life, not just your study time, and soon it'll feel natural and fun. Thanks so much for listening to this episode. On our channel, you can learn English in a simple and professional way just by listening. Make sure to check out FluentVibe Podcast for more episodes, tips, and easy practice. We really appreciate you spending time with us today, and don't forget to come back again soon. See you next time.